Green. Oh, I thought 5 were coming. 2 more games. I saw 5 there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me money. Oh. Last spin. Last spin. One, two, three, four. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, with an extra spin. Boom. Nice. $41 and an extra spin. Oh, 2 more. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby. Boom. 148. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 4. Oh. Last spin. Last spin. $149 so far. Come on, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green, 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 green. More, more, more. Green. Yes. Oh my God. Guys, this bonus is huge. 3 more spins. That's 18 total. And I'm up to $160 on a $1.50 bet. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 more, more, more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Green. Oh. Come on, baby. Throw them down, baby. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More green. Oh. All right, last spin again. Come on, more, more, more. Yes. Oh my God. Look how many, guys. That was 10 for $120 with the money on the board. 127 and an extra spin. 2 more and I'd had the 500. Oh my God. Look at that, baby. Look at those diamonds. Wow. And the money symbols, I've never seen that before. Look. Oh my God, there's money symbols and diamonds. Last spin. Come on, more, 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 more. Green. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Wow, what a hit, guys. What a hit. $299 on that $1.50 bet. Look at those dollar symbols. Check it out. Check it out. That is a really good bonus for a $1.50 bet. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.